Hi, I'm Josh Ozersky. It's on eHow.com. I am going to make what's called the Bev egg. This is a very simple and wonderful and incredibly gruesomely unhealthy egg dish that was introduced to me by the Virginia pork farmer, Bev Eggleston. Bev is kind of a legend in pork and bacon circles. Bev was doing a deal with Alan Benton where Benton was using his pork to make his legendary Tennessee bacon. And so essentially, Bev cooks up the bacon in the pan, and then he cuts it up like little pieces, like I'm doing right now. I think you're going to be able to see what's coming. Then he takes an egg. We have hot bacon fat in the pan. Put one egg in, or if we're doing one, we might as well do two. Essentially what's going to happen is that as these eggs set, I'm going to put all this bacon in, and it's going to actually become embedded in the egg as it cooks. Soon this is going to splatter on me. I can see it happening, and yet I can't help but think it's going to be worthwhile. Oh, there we go, Mr. Egg. No, Madone, get off of me. It's always looking to splatter. Always you want to splatter. Now I get myself a hot spoon, and because the egg yolk is not actually cooking directly, I spoon the hot bacon fat over the egg yolk. This is a version of the French technique known as arrosé, or arroséing. And all that foaming hot bacon grease is going to just sort of solidify over the top of the, it's going to solidify the top of the egg yolk. Inside, the egg yolk is still totally raw. Well, not totally, because it's beginning to firm up. Look, you see how the color is changing? See how it looks almost like an egg over easy? That's entirely from the effect of spooning bacon fat over it. All right, that bacon is all embedded in it. Let's get a little more just for the hell of it. And now I'm going to take this out. Probably a better man would drain this in some way, but kind of that would defeat the whole purpose, wouldn't it? All right. This is a tricky part. All right, that is one of the Bev eggs. And this is a second one. As for these little bits of bacon that are left in the pan, who knows what's going to happen to them? Their fate has actually been decided long ago. Anyway, here we have the Bev egg. If I break it, you'll see all the delicious yolk is going to go in, all that there with the bacon. So that's the Bev egg. I'm Josh Ozersky. Thanks for watching, and watch me again on eHow.com.